Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this water type in SolidWorks. Okay, this is the actually third angle projection. This is the section view, this is the front view, this is the top view, this is the detail view, this is the right view. Okay, first I will create this middle part, this one. You will see radius of this 28 and height total is 90 mm. You see here 90 mm. Okay, first I will create this middle part, this one. This middle part I will create this one. Okay, let's start. File, new, part is the default template. Okay, this is the SolidWorks user interface. First I am selecting background plain white and unit system is millimeter gram. Second, you can select any other system as per your requirement. First I am taking front plane, this one. Okay, now start from here, this a line passing through the origin. Move your cursor ahead, then come back on this point. You will see the radius forms and this one and this and this. Close this one, this one. This total height is 90 mm as per drawing. Total height is 90 mm. Okay, and this radius is 28 mm. 28 mm. This one. Now sketch is not fully defined, so first select this origin point and shift and this point, this arc, make relation concentric. Still not defined, select this origin point, shift and this point, make relation horizontal. Fully defined sketch. Now feature, revolve base feature, select this line and this is this one. You can make the any angle from here. You can change the angle. Suppose you change this one, this one in this way. Any angle you can change in this way, but here we require 360 degree, 360 and a total revolution. Okay, this is, I have made this one. Now if you go in window, drawing, this one, I have made middle portion of this one. Okay, now I will make this part, this right hand part. This is the right hand and radius part. So center of this pipe is, first I make it solid and then I will make with the shell feature. This center of this right hand position is at 22 and distance is 100 mm center line, this one. Okay, this internal radius is 40 mm actually, and if you see from center line this height is 28. If you see, this is 28 from center point to up to bottom one, right one. I will show you. Window, part. First I select the front plane. Front plane is sketch, normal. Okay, now I draw a line. First I will draw a center line. Center line is very useful in order to assign the dimension properly. Okay, now line from here, this one and this one. Right, this is vertical, this is horizontal. Okay, now this distance from here to here 100 mm. Okay, this height from here to here actually 22 mm. Okay, total is this one, and this fillet is actually 40 mm. This 40 mm. If you see, this one is 40 mm actually. Hit right button and cancel it, this one, but sketch is not fully defined. So this dimension is actually, I want this bottom point in this, align this radius. So this, no, height, this one, this height, this I am taking 28 mm, this one. This bottom point is aligned with this tangent, this circular part, this one. Now you see sketch is fully defined, this one. Now future swift pause space, option, select this. There are the two options, sketch profiling, circle profiling. The sketch is selected, dia I am taking 38 mm, outer dia 38 mm. This one. You can select this option, must and align with end faces, this one, this one. This I have made this one. Now I will make the left hand part, this one. Dia is same, but is from center point. This total distance is 140. And from here to this pipe is 140 to length is up to the end, but from here this is 140 minus that is the 138 from here. I will take this 100. I will show you this part is totally 140. Okay, I will make from here to here. So this is from here to here 138 and 28 is this one. So 138 minus 28, that is 110. I will draw this pipe up to a length of 110 if you note this thing. Then I will make this is a hexagonal part, this one. This is hexagonal part. If you see here, this is hexagonal part. If you see the right end, this hexagonal part of 10 mm width. Okay, I will make this one. Dia of the later on I will make. So up to here, that is the length is 110. 138 minus 28 2 mm chamfer. Okay, 20 to 30. 138 minus 30. 110. Okay, I will draw. Part. I will take the right plane. Right plane. You will see I will make it. Right plane normal. This one. Circle. Center point. This is 38. Okay. Now future extrude boss base. Direction is coming this one. Reverse the direction. That is, this is 110. This one. And hit right button. This I have made this one. Now you will see there is a threaded portion. If you see drawing this dia is actually 48 mm. This total length is 28 plus 2 mm chamfer. Total is 30. How I will make this one? Okay, I will show you. That is M48 into 5, second class thread. Okay, window part. This one. Now, first I make a shell. Shell that is thickness is 5 mm. If you note, shell thickness is, if you see the drawing, wall thickness is, you will see here, that is 5 mm thickness. This is also 5 mm, this I am also. First I will make the shell part. How? Shell future. This is 5 mm. 5 mm. Select this face, and this face, and hit right button. Now you see. If you see the section, this is this one. If normal, but if you want to check the thickness, evaluate, measure this and this, you will see this is a 5 mm thickness. Okay, this one, and now I will make this portion up to 30 mm length. That dia is 48 mm. Select this face. This face is sketch normal. Now first and select internal dia. This sketch, convert entity, and make one circle move. This is 48 mm. This is 48 mm. 48 mm. This one 48 mm. Okay. Now future extrude boss base. Future extrude boss base. Select this one. In this internal profile. This one, and this is distance is 30 mm. Only 30 mm. This one. Total 30 mm, this one. But here is the chamfer of 2 by 45 degree, if you know. This is 2 by 45 degree. This 2 mm. Now there is a threaded portion. This is a threaded. I will not make the actual thread. You can make actual thread from here. I have this certain videos on threads also. You can go and make the actual thread, but I will make the cosmetic thread here. Insert annotation, cosmetic thread. Select this edge, circular edge, because thread will start from this edge. Edge and symmetric standard. You can select any. I will select the asymmetric metric thread. This 48 into 5 mm pitch up to next class thread S2A, second class. Okay, and hit right button. Yes, but thread is not visible. You go in the top section. This here is the option document property. You go in the detailing. Cosmetic thread should be checked and shaded cosmetic thread should be checked, and okay, this one now thread appears. Okay, I have made this portion. You can make the fillet also. This fillet is 10 mm. This constant radius fillet, this and this. This you can provide the fillet. Okay, this I have made this. Now here if you see the drawing, there is a this one. Here is the, you will see this portion. This is 10 mm width. This is the hexagonal part. If you see here in the isometric view, this is the hexagonal part. This one 10 mm. Okay, I will make this after 30 mm length. This make 10 mm length. Dia of this is 58 mm. You have to make inscribed circuit. Okay, this option I will show you. Part. Now select this face. Select this face. This face is sketch normal. Now make this hexagonal inscribed circle. This. Select this line. Make horizontal, and either you make this distance is actually this from flat to flat faces. That is 58 mm. That is 58. You can make it from here also. Sorry. Either you can make this distance or select this circle. Both are same. This is 58. Either you can check. If you check this one, this will by default will come. This is default. Okay, both are same. So this is internal. This is now this one. Now this thickness is 10 mm. Future extrude boss base. You will see. You can change the thickness from here. Direction is proper 10 mm, and this one. Now you can provide the fillet. Select any edge. This one. Now this small window comes. Select first option. You will see all the 5 points are automatically selected. This option, and this provide only 2 mm. This one, and hit right button. This is provide. Okay. If you see the section view, this one. This I have made internal parts here. Cancel it. This one. Now I will make the mid part. Window. This one. I will make this middle part. This one. This is also a hexagonal part. You will see there is also a hexagonal part. This one. This part is of thickness 8 mm. 8 mm thickness. First, this dia is actually 60 mm actually. This is 58, and this one, this dia is X1 60 mm. Hex flat to flat. This upper top view I am showing that the isometric view. This hexagonal part. Okay, this is 60 mm. Later on, I will make this one, this middle, this part. Okay, window part. Select this face, sketch, normal, hexagon, this one, this horizontal, this is Either you select this one or flat to flat faces, this or this, 60 mm. Or if you note this circle dimension, it will be same, by default will come. Okay, 60 mm. Now out of the sketch, future, extrude boss base, direction is proper, this dimension is actually 8 mm. 8 mm. Merge rate, this one and this one. Again, fillet you can provide. Actually, engineering is wherever the sharp edges, that should be avoided. Okay, this is a very critical factor. Select any edge, and suppose any edge, and this small window comes, select first option. You will see all the balance edges are selected. This one, and this is 2 mm fillet. I am providing this one. Now I will make the middle portion. If you see middle portion, I will see this one. This is 8 mm I have made. Now this is 10 mm and 25 mm. Dia of this one, dia of here. You will see bottom portion here. This is 50 mm dia, this is 40 mm dia, or depth are the 10 and 25. I will make this one. Now I will take front plane, sketch, normal, this one. This from center line, this dia is this dia. This is 40 divided by 2. Okay, and this dia is 50 divided by 2. Okay, now this length is 10 mm. And this length 10 is this one, small dimension. This total length is 35 mm. So balance will be 25 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Now revolve base. Select this axis, this one. In this way I have made this one. Okay, now window, I have made this portion. Up to here I have made. Now I will make this part, this internal part. Detail of this part is here. This is height is 10 mm, 6 mm radius, and I will make this part. If you see the isometric view, I will make this middle, this one part, this part. You see where this arms are made. I will make this middle part. Dimension in the detail view, here I have shown 12 mm total bottom, height is 10 mm from here to center, and 6 mm radius. Okay, I will make this. Now front plane, sketch, normal. Now this from center line, this one. Now move your cursor ahead and come back. This radius will form. This one and this and this one, and this is 6 mm radius. 6 mm radius, this one. Zoom it slightly. Now this dimension is 10 mm actually. 10 mm. This one not fully defined. This to this is 12 divided by 2. That is 6 mm. This sketch is fully defined. Now sketch is fully defined. Future revolve base. Sketch this one. Total angle is 360 degree. Okay, if you want to make half, you can 180. You can change from the angle. But I require complete revolution 360 degree. This one. I have made this one. Now I will make the arm of this water tank. This one. This arm, forearm. I will make this one. So this distance is, if you see here, this distance actually 50 mm. 4 mm fillet and this, actually I have not shown these dimensions. I will show you how you make this forearm. Here you see this forearm. I have this total length is 50 mm. Actually I have shown somewhere here. No. Okay, I show you. Part, this one, front plane, sketch, normal, slightly zoom in, this one, this, bring your cursor on the circle, center point you will get, this, this one. This is actually from here to here 50 mm total length. Okay, and this to this is 8 mm. This to this is 3 mm. This mm. Okay, the sketch is not fully defined. How? Total length I have given this one, 8 I am given, total is I will revolve this one. So I will, the sketch is not fully defined. What you will do, take a line and from this center line, from center origin point to join here, this one. Now select this line, make relation vertical. The sketch is not fully defined. Then select this point, shift and this, make relation concentric. Sketch is fully defined. Select the center point, shift and this circle and make relation concentric. Now sketch is fully defined. Now it revolve it. Future, revolve, select this line. Now this is make 360 degree. This is revolve. Okay. Now provide the fillet here. Fillet, this radius, constant radius fillet, this radius is 4 mm. This one. This is 4 mm. Okay. I have made one arm. You can make the circular pattern. Circular pattern, this one, this, any circular edge you can select. Any circular edge, future and faces, fillet I have selected. From here, tree manager, you can select the revolve feature. You did revolve feature and fillet, select both the. Okay, and close. I have made this one. You will see, I have made this one. If you see the section view, this one. One thing, you can also make this portion hollow actually, this internal part, this one. How you can make the hollow here, this one. Select this face, this sketch, and this is total 30, and sketch, and normal, convert entity, this one, this convert entity. Okay, I make this one. Select this face, sketch, normal, select this. This, convert entity. Now, future, extrude cut. Extrude cut. 30, this is total 30 plus 10, 40, 30 plus 4, 10, 40, you can take 40. If you see the section, now you see this is open. Okay, this one. Now you will see this is open part. I have taken the approximate dimensions actually in order to understand how you can make this part. Here we have learned cosmetic threads, this hexagonal, shell feature, revolve feature. Now you can provide the necessary fillets. In engineering, there should not be sharp edges. You can necessarily provide the fillet here, this one, this part, this part, and this part. But this fillet is only 2 on this one. I think I have provided sufficient this one. Now you can provide the material also. This one edit material, this one ASI 04, and you there are the different these properties of this material. You can change the unit from here, megapascal, Newton per millimeter square. Also you can change from here and apply and close this one. This I apply. Now you provide the edit appearance. I am giving this color, this one, and this value is RGB 252 188 32, and part I have selected this one. I have selected this part. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this lecture. Please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. You please subscribe my this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.